Hello, I'm Dr. Darin Detwiler, author, professor, and food safety expert. Today, I'd like to talk about another specific concern when it comes to food safety. Did you know your food handling gloves can become contaminated during manufacturing? Meaning, a new box of gloves can already be contaminated before you even start using them. A recent study tested 2,600 new and unused gloves from 26 brands and found fecal matter indicators, as well as over 250 other pathogens on 50% of all the gloves tested. Why is this? Well, I asked some of my contacts in the know who shared that glove manufacturing uses a lot of water and far too often, these sources are polluted with sewage and even pesticides. Factories can also reuse this contaminated water and not heat it sufficiently to kill microbes. Whatever's in the water is now on those gloves. Make sure glove supplier due diligence is thorough before purchasing gloves. Your food safety standards are a priority, so make sure your gloves meet these standards. When we talk about measuring a company's food safety culture, even something is often overlooked, such as the type and quality of gloves, provides a true glimpse of how companies prioritize and invest in food safety.